could say I never dare to think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, wrinkled silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked on to something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? I could say I never unzipped those blue Levi's inside my head, but that's far from the truth. Don't know what's come over me. It seems like yesterday when I said we'll be friends forever. Heard constellations of stars, mules on city walls. I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse, you're a 19th floor view. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel that love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel that love? Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel that love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the
I've been thinking about you every day and night. I've been missing you and I wanna hold you tight. You know, all my songs are all about you and the things that we do. You'll be my ride or die, baby. I never let you go. Oh, girl, it's you against the world. Baby, take my hand, we'll walk toward the sand. I wanna go with you and know that you're my boo. I wanna be your man, the future we will plan, the things we wanna do, like watch the sunset with you. Oh no. Hey boy, wanna stick around with you all night long until we get tired and finish all the songs. I like it when you dance with me, every single step. I feel so alive and thrilled. Oh, be my ride or die, baby. I never let you go. Oh boy, it's you.